we go. 208 raffle for your umbrella of choice. Dynamic disc, latitude 64 stuff. We got Andrew Horton over here vaping up a storm in my shop, helping out with it. Why don't you blow a cloud for the folks, homie? Game plan. Alright, so after that clears out, we're going to go ahead and refresh random.org. Hit it. It's not the refresh. There you go. Give that a second. Come on, baby. Get away. Alright. Pop that number up there, son. Alright, we're going to do a total of 9 tickets available for the umbrella today. Ready to make it rain on that umbrella. Winner is... Hit the button. Number 4. Congratulations. Stay dry, my friends.